We've done bagel chips, bagel sandwiches, pizza bagels, and low-carb bagels. Today, we're taking our two main ingredients from our Greek yogurt pizza dough and finally making some regular, higher protein bagels that you can reheat all week. So let's jump right into that. Start this one with a mixing bowl. Add into it 2 cups of self-rising flour, 2 scoops of protein powder, and 2 containers of Greek yogurt. If you don't have access to self-rising flour, I'll put on screen how you can make this without it. You can also mix and match your flavors here. I typically go with a plain Greek yogurt and use my vanilla protein powder since it's not too sweet. If you have unflavored, use that. You also don't even need to use protein powder. They'll still have pretty good macros. I'll put that recipe on the website along with other mix-ins like raisins, dried onion or garlic, cheese, and so on. You can find it up here, down below, or by going to theproteinchef.co. Mix those ingredients together until it starts to clump up. Once it starts to clump, you can use your hands. Shouldn't be too sticky. Continue by kneading until everything is combined. Here's how your dough should look when you're done with it. If it's too dry and cracking, add in a bit more Greek yogurt. And if it's too wet and sticky, add in a little more flour. You can use whatever % Greek yogurt you have. Both whole milk or fat-free work great, though whole milk will tend to have more liquid in it, so keep this in mind. You can make these in either the oven or air fryer. If you're using the oven, line a baking sheet with some parchment paper. If you're using the air fryer, heat your basket with some non-stick cooking spray. From here, break off a piece of your dough and roll it out into a roll. I'm making 4 big bagels today, but you can choose however many you want to make. Loop each piece around and close it off by pressing your ends together. Think kitchen Play-Doh. Last, beat an egg up, brush all your bagels with it, and sprinkle on your favorite seasonings. I went with an everything seasoning, which I'll drop a link to below. Now, if you're using the oven, bake them on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. If you're making them in the air fry them on 300 for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they look like this. Couple tips for these. Number 1, for even more protein, you can top them with the nut butter, higher protein cream cheese, or my favorite, turn them into a breakfast sandwich. Drop in the comments below how or what you eat your bagels with. I need some new ideas. Number 2, you can store these in the fridge. They should last around 5 to 7 days. And number 3, they easily reheat in the toaster or air fryer. The winner of our last testing or guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's testing or guesstimating, we're going with one of my favorite mix-ins for this recipe, raisins. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. The winner will receive a gift card to our store where you can buy a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 gift per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.